Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to increase download speed in Google Chrome browser. There is a built-in feature that is called parallel downloading in Chrome that is disabled by default, and you need to enable this feature to improve download speed in Chrome browser. So let me start without any delay. First, open a new tab by clicking on plus icon, then copy and paste this one chrome colon slash slash flags and press enter key on the keyboard to open Chrome flags window. Here you need to type parallel, just type parallel or parallel downloading. You will see parallel downloading flags. Beside that, you will see a drop down menu. Click on this one drop down menu and here select this one option enabled. At last, click on this one relaunch button at the bottom of the Chrome window. This will restart your Chrome browser, and after that, whenever you will start downloading a large file on your PC through Chrome browser, you will see a lot of improvement in downloading. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe this channel, and if you are an old customer and you love this video, kindly press thumbs up and even you can share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.